Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make whipped cream. First, take your heavy whipping cream and pour it in the bowl. Next, set any timer for 5 minutes. And then take your electric whisk and start mixing. Then, at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, add in your confectioner sugar and vanilla extract. Okay. Take 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then you're going to want to take a spoon, like about this big, and take your confectioner sugar and get about 2 spoonfuls of confectioner sugar. How your whipped cream should look like when it's done. Yummy!